Okay, so today let's deal with the I, J and K planes of rotation in complex numbers These are the three different planes of rotations. So let's deal with them one by one. It's difficult to show them on a paper, but I'll try to explain the I, J and the K planes of complex numbers with the help of this round thing that I have in my hand. From the angle at which you are seeing, let's say the I plane of rotation is like this. That's it. The anti-clockwise direction is considered positive. If anything rotates in the anti-clockwise direction, it is considered as positive I. Anything that rotates in the clockwise direction is considered as negative I. And just notice the plane in which it is rotating. It is directly facing you. The surface is directly facing you in a vertical manner. It is kept vertical with respect to the ground, which is the ground is the reference surface, and it is kept perpendicular to the ground, and anything that's perpendicular to the ground we call it vertical. That is the term used for it. Now, as you understand that this is plus I and this is minus I, so now what is plus J and minus J? Simple. Just make it horizontal. This is plus J, that is anti-clockwise, and this is minus J. Just notice I have changed the plane of rotation to a sleeping circle. So anything that is sleeping, that is parallel to the earth or horizontal, in a horizontal plane, and if it is rotating anti-clockwise we call it plus J. If it's rotating in the clockwise direction it's called minus J. This is used in Fourier Transforms. If you carefully notice Fourier Transforms, there's a wave that you will see, and this wave is rotated in a J plane by 90 degrees such that you see only the side view of that wave. But we'll deal with that in another video. So now this is the I plane, this is the J plane. What is the K plane? It's a bit confusing. The K plane is also vertical like the I plane, but it's facing here. So if anything is facing you like this, and if it is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, maybe above is plus and below is minus. I don't know the conventions used, but I'm assuming that if something is rotating upwards it's considered as plus K. If something is rotating downwards it might be minus K, because upwards is anti-clockwise, downwards is clockwise. So in a nutshell, the I plane is like this: plus I, minus I, plus J, minus J, plus K, minus K. These are the three different planes of rotation. So I hope when you come across a number like let's say 3I plus 4J, you understand what it means. That whatever is rotating, for example a satellite in motion, it may not just be rotating in one direction, in one plane, it may be rotating in two planes put together. For example, if this is the earth, I paint the earth in blue, this is black, okay, and let's say a satellite here is moving in the I plane, that it's moving not only like this but even in a slightly horizontal plane. So it's moving in a curved orbit like the rings of the Saturn. this would be somewhat the I and the j plane, or a combination of maybe the j and the k plane, and so on. If the satellite was moving just like this, for example, if this is the Earth and if the satellite was moving just like this, it would have been only the I plane. But because satellites take different planes, they don't just move in a vertical orbit like this, they take an angle, they move along different planes. So numbers like 3i plus 4j come, and so on. So I hope this was helpful, and that's it. Thank you.